ink is fading on the paper in my hand. A message from a distant and a lonely land. I'm standing by the window where the light is low, watching how the bitter wings of winter glow. You wrote about the secrets that we used to share before you disappeared into the empty air. The envelope was soaked and now it's tearing face, like every other memory from out our past. Oh, the words are washing all away. Oh, there's nothing left on me to say. Falling from the sky like a silver tear, healing every hope and every single fear. Searching for a heart that I never find, leaving all the broken promises behind. We in the dark, searching for a spark in the rain. Try to catch the sentences before they go. My water has a raven